is
up.
Welcome back to Joe
And E's
Cooking. Today we're going to be making microwave s'mores, a very simple thing, but delicious. Alright, we're in the kitchen now.
Yes, we're in the kitchen.
Alright, so do you want to explain to them how we make our microwave s'mores?
Yes. Okay, first you need graham crackers, marshmallows, but we only have many marshmallows, so we're going to put like 4 on each. Okay, then we just need like some microwaves. No, not microwaves. Chocolate! Yeah! Instead of chocolate bars, we're using chocolate syrup because we're cool. 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 Okay, so chocolate, graham crackers, marshmallows.
We're going to put 4 mini marshmallows, drizzle it on top of some chocolate syrup. We're each going to make one.
Yes.
Alright, we'll see you in a sec. Wait.
Now, all you have to do.
The graham crackers are a little broken.
Why are they broken?
Okay, so you can
I'm
use
taking
this
this
one.
one. I'm gonna go wash my hands.
Oh, I already did.
I'm washing my hands again.
Because you always wash your hands, remember that. Oh, and guys, if we get to 50 subscribers, then we will create merch.
Yeah.
And always clean up as you go. Alright. Marshmallow time. Alright.
Why'd you say it like that? You were like, marshmallow time.
Alright, hold on.
Ooh shakalaka, ooh shakalaka, ooh shakalaka, random dancing. Ooh shakalaka, ooh shakalaka, ooh shakalaka. Why am I dancing like this? I'm like,
Ooh shakalaka, random dancing. Ooh shakalaka, ooh. Alright, marshmallows. So we're gonna put 4 mini marshmallows on each. So you can get yours. I'm not doing it for you. Well, actually, maybe 6. We'll do 6.
I'm just gonna put a couple.
Yeah, okay. Doesn't really matter.
I had a double chin real quick.
Real quick.
It hurts when I do that. I have to work like really hard to make a double chin. And like it like hurts because I have to like work hard.
Alright, so, and if you have a giant marshmallow, then you don't have to do this. A giant one.
Well, like
A
normal
regular
sized.
Alright. Alright. Chocolate syrup. And if you have regular Hershey chocolate, then you're good.
Yeah, but we couldn't find ours, so.
Just put a little bit, not too much. You don't want it to run off the sides. Okay, more than that.
What?
I said, okay, more than that.
You know.
Ooh, shakalaka.
Ooh, shakalaka, random dancing.
Ooh, shakalaka, loo.
Your scrunchies on the floor fell off.
We don't have some.
That's what
are you doing
right now? Okay, this is really weird and awkward, so.
Yeah.
Here's yours. Ooh, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka,
Boom, shakalaka, random dancing.
boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka.
Mine was quick.
I left the light on in the bathroom, up the stairs, turn the light off,
That's what ours look like.
down the stairs,
Okay. All right.
back in the kitchen.
Do you really want that many marshmallows? That's a lot.
Yeah, I know, that's why I'm taking some off.
All right. All right, let's put them in the microwave for how long?
I don't know. 20 seconds. Sorry.
And if they're not done, we'll put them in for a little bit longer.
Put it in the microwave.
Put it in the microwave. Microwave.
Microwave. Boom, shakalaka.
Clean up as you go. Clean up as you go. Don't fall in the fridge, though.
I'm gonna fall in the fridge though.
Don't fall in the fridge, though.
The house looks so weird when it's on the camera.
I know.
Twisting up the marshmallows.
Twisting them up.
Twisting them up.
Follow me.
The microwave is done.
Oh. Here's what they look like. It's time for the taste test. Taste test. That's good. I like it. Definitely try this one at home. It would probably be better if we had Hershey's chocolate bar.
Yeah. Oh, tastes good though. Tastes like hot chocolate, kind of.
Quite a lot. Alright, outro time. Bye. Oh. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Bye.